Welcome to our newest listing in Waldo. We're located at 452 Moosehead Trail, and right behind me is this charming Cape 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Let's go take a look. The inside of this home has a bright, open living room with plenty of natural light coming through the windows. And we do have a brand new heat pump that was just installed. It's great for energy efficiency throughout the home for heating and cooling in the summertime. This home has plenty of privacy. Just imagine sitting on your back deck in a summer evening looking over this wooded backyard here. If you're interested for a private showing, give me a call today.